Senior BJP MLA Kalidas Kolambar will be made pro tem speaker today. The event is scheduled at 1 p.m. at the Raj Bhavan in Mumbai. Take a look at this. BJP MLA Kalidas Kolambar will take oath as the pro tem speaker of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly a day before the special 3-day session of the lower house of state legislature begins. Kolambar, who is a 9-time MLA, he confirmed that he will take oath as the pro tem speaker at 1 p.m. at the Raj Bhavan today. Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan will administer the oath for him. Kolambar currently represents the Wadala Assembly constituency in Mumbai. As a pro tem speaker, he will administer the oaths of office to 288 newly elected MLAs. Conduct the assembly. Now, hours after taking their oaths, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and his deputies Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde took charge of their responsibilities as the state's secretariats. In his first decision as the Chief Minister, the BJP leader approved monetary help to a Pune family. Watch this report that gets you all the details.
मी देवेंद्र सरिता गंगाधरराव फडणवीस ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
After more than 10 days of suspense, Devendra Fadnavis was sworn in as Chief Minister of Maharashtra on Thursday evening. Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, whose stellar returns in last month's election boosted the Mahayuti alliance to a thumping win, were sworn in as Deputy Chief Ministers. Shortly after taking their oaths, all three paid floral tributes to Maratha icon Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Dr. Ambedkar at Mantralay. Followed by Fadnavis signing his first file as the new Chief Minister, a medical assistant check. In his first remark after taking charge, CM Fadnavis outlined his vision for the state.
पिछले पूरे साल में हमको जितना FDI मिला उसका 90% FDI 6 महीने में मिल गया. तो आप समझ सकते हो कि कितना इनफ्लो इंडस्ट्री का आ रहा है और जल्दी ही कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज की घोषणाएं मैं करूंगा. मेरी बातचीत अंतिम चरण में है कि जिनको महाराष्ट्र को पाकर, उन इंडस्ट्रीज को पाकर बहुत महाराष्ट्र को खुशी होगी, ऐसी कई इंडस्ट्रीज के साथ मेरी चर्चा अंतिम चरण में है.
A special session has been called by CM Fadnavis on December 7. All legislators will take their oaths on that day. It must be noted that in his third term, Fadnavis is seizing the reins when there's a huge debt on the exchequer. As Chief Minister, he will also have to find a solution to the demands for Maratha reservations. As if these challenges were not enough, Fadnavis will have to run the government along with two ambitious allies. Meanwhile, with a strong mandate in favor of the Mahayuti alliance, expectations from the government are sky high.